Hi there, my name is Eleanor Bierman and I am going to show you how to divide fractions using a number line. So first we're going to start by reading this problem. Some people decided to have a party or a pie partitions party. They all brought 3/4 of a pie. The party table had 27/4 of a pie. How many people attended the party? So now we're going to move on to our number line. There we go. And we are going to section it off. Well, first we are going to find our 27/4. And that would be, as a proper fraction, that would be 6 3/4. So we're going to section these off so that we make sections of 3/4. So let me just grab my pen here. All right, here we go. Ready? Here's one section. 1, 2, 3, 2. I'm actually going to count this right away. 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, and finally 1, 2, 3, 9. Okay, so that means that 27/4 divided by 3/4 is 9. All right, so there were 9 people at that party. Oh, goodness. I'm just not on top of things today. All right. Theo and his 8 friends decided to pull a prank on their parents. The parents were all attending a party where they were supposed to bring a pie. Theo and his friends each took 1/4 of the pie, leaving 3/4 for the party. How many fourths will the parents be bringing to the party now? And each child has a set of 2 parents. I'm sorry that I didn't clarify that very well. So there's 9 sets of parents, and they're each going to bring 3/4 of a pie. So now let's figure out what that means in our number line. Alright, so we can actually kind of do the same thing here. So let's start by marking it off again. I'm sorry that I prematurely erased it off camera. So that's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. 5. 1, 2, 3. 6. 1, 2, 3. 7. 1, 2, 3. 8. And 1, 2, 3 is 9. Oh, and if you remember from earlier, we already know that 6 3/4 is the proper form of 27/4. So now let's put that into our equation here. So 27/4. There we go. All right, now let's move on to the next question. Miss Samantha had 3/4 of a pitcher of water. She needs to fill 27 1/4 cups for the 2-year-olds in her classroom. Excuse me. How much more water will she need to fill the cups? So we need to divide 3/4 by 27/4. Now, how on earth are we going to do that? So first, we're going to change the spacing because we need to divide up 3/4. Yep, we're going to clear all. Alright, and I'm actually going to have our number lines start at -1 so we can better see all of the numbers that we will need here. Okay, so see, there we go. Okay, to be honest, I am not exactly sure how to do this yet because I am just learning this process myself. So I'm going to show you how I learned how to do these problems when I was in middle school. So, let's see, we need 3. Oh, that's not what they wanted. Okay. So, 3 over 4 times. So when we would divide fractions when I was growing up, we were told to change it to multiplying and flip the numbers around on the second fraction. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do 4 on top here and 27 on the bottom. So then we cancel it out, like I'm sure that you guys already know how to do. And that will leave us with 1/9. There we go. Cool. So I'm going to write 1/9 over here so that we remember what we need to get to here. And I'm going to erase that. There we go. So, cool. Now we're going to figure out how to get to 1/9 together because that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I'm going to try first I'm going to try splitting this up into 27. So 27 divided by 3 sections. So that would be 9 in each section. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we ended up with an extra. So we are going to erase this one. Well, shoot, that didn't work how I thought it would. Alright, never mind. We are gonna try that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, now we do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cool. Now last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cool. So that leaves us with 1/9. There we go. Cool. Alright. Hardest one over. Yay! So now we're going to put a little text box here and write write 1/9. Coolio. Alright, last one. So if you remember earlier, we had some pranksters in our problems. So luckily for Theo and his prankster friends, their parents were all attending the pie partitions party and were supposed to only bring 3/4 of the pie. So how many fourths were there? So we kind of already did this problem, didn't we? So let's go practice it one more time. And I'll fix our number line here so that it is ready to go. Boom, boom. Clear all. Ah, it's nice and clean again. Yay! Okay. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3. Here's 1. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. 5. 1, 2, 3. 6. 1, 2, 3. 7. 1, 2, 3. 8. Goodness. And 1, 2, 3. 9. So, and we remember that 6 3/4 is actually 27 3/4 in its improper form. So then we're going to go back here, put it in another text box, and write 27 over 4. And that's how many fourths there were.